Hopefully I don't spoil this cap. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is gonna be a special one because I'm trying something new. So I was scrolling through Pinterest and I saw these hand-painted caps with Cybercigilism designs on them. So here it goes. This is the cap I'm gonna use today and I am hand painting it with Cybercigilism designs. Let's go. Alright, so first thing we need to do is quickly make a rough stencil or basic shape of the design. So this is the center line. I want it till here. Let's do this. Alright, one side is done. Now for symmetry, I'll copy the design over onto the other side. Alright, so the basic outline for the design is done. Now for the application, we don't use brush or anything for this. So there are these applicator bottles and these needles come with these bottles. So we just open the cap, fix the needle to this, right, like this. Don't worry, this is not sharp. This is actually meant for arts and stuff. It's not for medical use, if you can see. So this is the bottle we use for application. We fill this up with ink and then we put down the design like this. Simple. Alright, so I've taken out some amount of ink. Now, as you can see, it is a very thick ink sitting there like a blob. So we need to mix some water in it and thin it down so that it is easier to apply. Don't add too much water at once because you don't want it to be too thin either. Let's mix it. And we are ready to apply the design. Also, I added a little detail on the design so I will not have to use my brain when I am putting down the ink. Let's get on with it. Let me start doing it because Alright, so it's the next day. The ink needs to be completely dry before you heat press or heat cure it for better results. So I have used screen printing ink on this and when you heat treat this ink, it becomes permanent. Like it's not gonna wash away or anything. So let's give it the heat treatment. Alright, it has been cured now. That's the complete design. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hopefully we'll be doing many more projects in the future like this. Stick around. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I have prepared the bottle.